Today, DJI announced our newest consumer drone, Mavic Air. It is our most portable, powerful, and intelligent drone we've ever created. From an imaging standpoint, Mavic Air has a very similar camera to what you would find in Mavic Pro. It's a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor that shoots 4K video at 30 frames a second. It also is our first drone to do slow-mo. From an intelligence standpoint, it has some of the quick shot features that you found on Spark that take those automated flight paths, those really difficult shots that are tough to get, and they make them one tap. So you've got the awesome asteroid effect, which shows the zoom in shot from kind of a spherical point of view down right to the drone pilot. And then you've got boomerang. Just as it sounds, the drone flies with one tap in a perfect boomerang oval pattern right around you, starts right where it finishes. You've got that remote control with the RC. Of course, you can use smart capture gesture control for positioning hands-free that camera and getting it in the right spot for photos and video. So it's very, very easy to fly. I think the vision positioning system that you find on all DJI drones, which helps it hover precisely in place. So when you let go of those sticks, the drone actually stops moving and hovers instead of drifting or behaving erratically. Mavic Air fits right in between the price point for Spark, which is $399, and Mavic Pro, which is $999. At $799, Mavic is right in the middle of those two price points just about, and really has a lot more features than Mavic Pro and Spark put together. So I think it's going to be the next big consumer drone from DJI for sure.